My channel is Aceh Frontal Sesio. Right today, I am one on location in Aceh, Kolwat district of Aceh Jaya. Now we see the garden, Nowat, Kolwat, the garden Rosia floor, not a floor. Kolwat, rose, this is very truly, beautiful Vilma here. And I'm showing you a lot of people came here. There's a lot of kind of, flower here. We call a flower here from exactly from Europe, Netherlands, United States, or not Kingdom, exactly for Belgium, and then Irish. This is very true, the same with there in Europe. Can imagine that you don't have to visit there, you don't have to visit United States, you don't have to visit Europe, you just visit, you go about Aceh Jaya. This is a village, Panga. When the government in turn, that's only 10,000 rupiahs, this is not so expensive and the other location around the world. When you come here, you can take picture or you can make video or make film here. You don't have, visit to Europe, go bird, just came here. Alright, if you want to visit Aceh, don't forget to stop by or visit Aceh Jaya. We call that, Panga village. This is very totally, famous Abasnami sister. Can imagine that Abasnami sister. This is totally very beautiful, flower like yellow color around word. Now, what? This is totally very can't find in your life about this. Alright, don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel because I myself would like to promote Aceh 5 countries. Europe, United States, Asia, Australia, Africa, including Asia. There's a lot of people visit here. Alright, my spirit up, but for now.